Hey guys, we're going to walk through the 2023 Chaparral 367BH by Coachmen. This camper here is 42 feet 6 inches, and check out that big pass-through storage there. Plenty of room to store anything you want to take camping with you. Walking down this big campsite here, of course you have a nice awning there in the front. Two great big slides here. There's a great look at that outside kitchen. Huge beer fridge with a nice plumbed in sink, as well as a TV backer there, so that way you can watch the football game from outside. Here you'll see the entrance to that second bath in the back of the camper, so that way your kids can run in and out of the camper, or guests I should say. And they also have access to a shower back there as well. Again, this camper is 42 feet 6 inches long, has a height of 12 feet 5 inches. Let's take a walk inside. 367BH. Walking inside here, you have a nice hide-a-bed here. As soon as you walk in the door, theater seating directly across from the entertainment center. Nice island with solid surface countertops. There you get a good shot of the full-size refrigerator. There's your entertainment center sound bar. Fireplace directly below it. Awesome little setup there. There's your 3-burner cooktop with your oven and convection microwave above there. Nice little coffee bar, cabinets above and below. Awesome little setup in this kitchen. Plenty of space to move around. There's a good look at that freestanding table and chair. Play cards at. Awesome little setup. There's that theater seating again. And if I remember correctly, it has massaging and heating. Moving on up to the master suite here. You have sink and mirror there above the sink. Also in glass, 3-sided glass door with a shower. And of course you have your throne. Plenty of room to move around in that shower with a skylight over top. Nice big bathroom for the master suite. Moving into the bedroom, of course, you have yourself a queen bed. End tables on each side with plugs for any kind of CPAP or plugging in your cell phones. Nice wardrobe there on the slide out. Plenty of room. You also have washer dryer hookup and or closet space there at the foot of the bed. Moving through the camper here, you can kind of see the flow of everything. See the size of this camper with all the slides out. You're not going to feel cramped in here on a cold winter day or a rainy day while you're in here watching movies. Moving back to the bunkhouse part. Here you got the entertainment center area. A couple wardrobes, place to put a TV. Of course, you have a bunk over top. There's your cabinetry for any clothes and everything. Other side here, you have a nice bunk over top with a hide-a-bed below. So you can sleep 3 to 4 people back here comfortably. Wardrobe there in the corner. And here is that second bathroom, second full bath. So shower in the back. Nice big shower, again nice and tall, runs all the way up the wall, so no height restrictions or anything. Even has a nice little bathtub, vanity, and of course a nice little throne room when you're doing the deed. Welcome back through the camper, just giving you a nice little view of everything. Thank you for joining us. See you on the next one.